just say, I got a wild hair up my ass to do this. The only place that I'm about to go right now is Lowe's.
Because that's where it's going. But if you want to prescribe it to your clients, you are prescribing.
All right, so this is why I probably need to stay off TikTok, but this is how I look right now. No lashes, no nothing. I look like a mess. And I saw a creator who said she uses these lashes. Like, I went to her Amazon and I found the products, and then this lash glue. Now this has a bond, one side is bond and the other side is sealant. So this and this, I hope you guys can see that. I don't know. So I'm gonna try to do my own lashes based on how she said do them. Let's see. I don't have the proper like lash applicator, so I'm just gonna use these tweezers. And we're gonna see how this goes. It has like a little tingle to it, I don't know. Just a slight tingle though, it's not bad. All right, so here we go. Okay, so I realized at this point that my angle was terrible. So instead of fast forwarding it, I just cut a lot of it out. This is what it looks like when old people try to do young people shit. Oh my God, that one ain't going right. I don't know how I feel about it. It's really like curly, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like it's super curly. I don't know. I need to, hold on one second. Yeah, this is actually a tool from my Cricut, but I'm gonna use it today. I'm gonna use it today and see if I can. I feel like I could use, like, even though I like them short, I feel like I can use, because this is 12, 10, and then 1, 8. I feel like I can use maybe just one long. I'm on something. Let me see. So this is a 14. I feel like I don't have enough natural lash to hold that. I don't have enough lash to hold that. But what I'm gonna do, since I put that other layer of bond on there, I wanna see if I can just fill up the middle just a little bit. Oh my God, it's on my eye. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That was almost real bad. Let me try this again. That's okay. That's okay. I think it probably would help if I had the right tweezers. Uh-oh. That's okay. Now I'm gonna use the sealant. Let's see how this goes. it really doesn't look like anything is coming onto the lashes. But, I mean, I do feel a little tingle now. So I'm just gonna put some clip-ins in, and I will fast forward through this part too. Okay, so normally when I get to this part, I really don't know what to do. I don't know where I want to go from here. Like, this happens all the time. So I'm not sure how I want to move forward. so I'll probably do just one more piece right here, because I have these, well, my family calls them cowlicks, when your hairline goes back right here. So I've had cowlicks my whole life, but they have receded as I've aged. So I want to kind of cover this cowlick up a little bit. I'm gonna have to use some type of edge control when I'm finished, because I need to, like, I don't know, do something. This is my last piece. So it kind of measured out okay. It's kind of measured out okay. I'm still not sold on how I'm gonna end this. Haha, I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm gonna use this rice water, let's see if this rice water edge control. So I don't like to use much. I just don't trust edge control that much, because when I've used edge control in the past, it's caused like white, flaky, whatever. Now this one this is my, I don't know, third or fourth time using it, and I haven't had an issue with the white, flaky looking stuff. But I'm still like cautious not to put way too much edge control. And let's see what we can do with these cowlicks. Do a little swoopity swoop. A little something, something. I feel like I need to put like a band on there for right now. So that's what I'm gonna do, hold on. So I can't find my band that I like to put on to get my edges to lay, but that's okay. I'm just gonna use this for right now while this is good enough for me. I just wanna, listen, don't talk about my underarms. I know I need to shave. It's not that bad. Okay, now use my trusty dusty olive oil. Can't go wrong, can't go wrong. Very old school, but still very relevant. I probably shouldn't be spraying all this oil on this on these clip-ins, but I do wash my wigs and my weaves. I do wash them, so whatever gets on there, I'll eventually get it back off. All right, let's see. Let's bump out some of these little waves and get my hair to try to mesh with the clip-ins a little bit better. This is a very quick job. Does not have to be perfect. I'm not trying to make it perfect, as you guys can see. But just a little something, something. I feel like there's a lash that wants to come off and into my eye. And it's making me feel like something is scratching my eye. See, I feel like I'm starting to look less 50 and more my age, which is 41. So I'm just gonna use my Chanel brow pencil and just kind of, I have a scar. I don't know if you guys can. I have a scar right here I've had my whole life. Fell off of the sofa when I was a baby into the coffee table. So, look at me. Jesus. Fell off the sofa into the coffee table. So I've had that scar my whole life. I'm not a makeup person. So don't come for me in the comments about how I'm doing my eyebrows. This is the best I can do. And I do need to, I need to shave under my eyebrows a little bit. But I told y'all this is a little quick something, right? So I'm gonna use my Born This Way concealer, and it kind of helps to hide the imperfections. My skin is so dry, and I can tell that I absolutely did not moisturize my face prior to doing this, because I can tell when I put this brush on my skin that I should have put some type of moisturizer on there. Let me just say, I got a wild hair up my ass to do this. The only place that I'm about to go right now is Lowe's. I spent the majority of the morning studying for my midterm. And last night I worked on my online course that's launching tomorrow. Tonight I just have to finish it up. I have to finish it up tomorrow. And where's my, hold on one second. I just thought about a client that I have on semaglutide, the weight loss medication, and I just thought to myself just now, I wonder how she's doing. I am going to send her a message. So these are the foundations that I use, y'all. I have MAC, and this is $8.99. No, Lord, what am I talking about? This is NW46. And then I have my Estee Lauder, and I have my Milani. Now, my skin color, this is $2.70. Now, my skin color changes depending on the weather. In the wintertime, I'm lighter, so sometimes I have to figure out what color am I this season. I feel like this is too orange. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's not gonna be right. Then Milani, I think Milani's okay, but I feel like I don't really care for the cream, like the creamy foundation. So I'm just gonna go with my MAC. Ooh, that helped. I don't like to put a lot of this on either. The only reason I'm doing it is to kind of like conceal a little bit of my age. I just had a man on Instagram go to my page and tell me how women lie. And every single picture that I have on my page, I have on makeup. And I just, of course I replied because I don't like when people try to call me out. But anyway, and I told him, I said, sir, I have videos on YouTube right now of me looking busted. This man has no idea. I told you I'm not a makeup artist. There's no technique to this. Not for me. Not for some of y'all. It might be. But for me, no technique at all. As long as it doesn't look blotchy, that's all I care about. I don't want it to look like you can peel my face off, and I don't want it to look blotchy. If it doesn't look like that, I'm okay. I wanted this so bad when it came out. It was so pretty to me, and it's so filthy. It was very hard to try to keep it clean, and I tried my best for a while. Then I just gave up. This is not perfect, but it's better than how I started. So I'm gonna put on some lip gloss, change my clothes, and go to Lowe's. I'll talk to you guys later.